Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this green package, which is quite fitting for what's inside of this, because I already know what's happening. You don't. You will see in a second though why I think it fits quite well. Well, I will tell you why I'll try to get it out of here. Because inside we actually have Loki's horns or Loki's crown for costume or cosplay, which I found on AliExpress for quite a decent amount. As you can see, it has like this rubbery, silicone material, so it's gonna be really light. You actually have to see if you can get it in the right position a little bit, because it was squished a little bit in the package, but I think it looks pretty decent for $5. Um, it fits nicely, it's not gonna hurt you while you're wearing it, and yeah, in general, it looks pretty decent, I think. Honestly, yeah, there's some structure problems, but I actually like them on this because it just gives it more texture and it's not looking as slim and clean. Because I assume that what's what would be happening if you work and create such a crown. Yeah, all in all, looking decent, I think, and I think I should just throw that on, and then I will see you in a second. So here we are. This is what the crown looks like when you have it on your head. And as you can see, it fits quite nicely. It doesn't hurt or anything. And in general, here you get a decent look out of it. And if you combine it with some wigs or something, you might get a good cosplay out of it.